Now, first up, the government has allocated 500 million ringgit to repair public infrastructure damaged by recent floods across most states. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim said he has directed all federal and state departments to assess the damage and carry out repairs immediately.
Ini termasuk sekolah, klinik, kemudahan asas, jalan, dan untuk itu, untuk disegerakan, maka saya luluskan 500 juta ringgit untuk tujuan memperbaiki kerosakan di lalu banjir.
He said this during the second reading of the Supply Bill 2026 in the Dewan Negara on Tuesday. The National Disaster Management Agency has enhanced its preparedness efforts, working closely with local authorities and state governments. So far this year, over 150 temporary evacuation centres have been activated to support more than 12,000 flood victims.